How to confront someone when you loathe uncomfortable interaction. We can't always avoid discussing uncomfortable situations with people. Knowing how to confront someone in a civil manner is more than necessary. There are just people out there who hate confrontation. I'm certainly one of them. But life comes with all sorts of situations that require confrontation, and that means we have to learn how to confront someone in a way that doesn't create a scene. It's not easy. Having an issue with someone is hard enough, but going up to them and talking about it is both uncomfortable and really awkward. This is especially true if you're the quiet, shy type. Being shy doesn't mean you can't confront someone. It might be more difficult for you to go up to someone and tell them how you feel, but it's still possible. The fact that you don't want to talk to a lot of people really doesn't make much of a difference in the long run. Those who are shy can even find it easier to confront people because there's a specific reason to talk to them. Putting yourself in the mindset of confronting someone about an issue can make it that much easier to go through with it versus talking to someone at random. How to confront someone when you hate uncomfortable situations. As much as it can be annoying and awkward to confront someone after a less than savory situation, it's still necessary. It's required in order to stand up for yourself and demand respect. Here's how you can do it. Number 1. Prepare. You probably hate talking. Sit yourself down and prepare for the confrontation.